Come here. Come here. Come see Mommy. Come here. Can you get moving? Huh? Get moving. Huh? Come here. Gotta get up on your hands and knees. There you go. Come on. Come on. Can you come see Mommy? Huh? That's how you gotta get going. You gotta get up there. Come on. Push off of those feet. No, rolling over is not gonna get you there. Rolling over is not gonna get you there. Are you just gonna lay on your back and slide?